What's up, guys? It's my pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Let's Say Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yaku. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria. And in this video, guys, I'm going to teach you guys how to know the Alipay minimum balance per year. That is Alipay balance yearly limitation on your Alipay balance. One of the things you need to understand as far as this tutorial is concerned is that Alipay balance is quite different from toll pass. Okay, now in this video, I'm going to explain it to you as far as Alipay balance limitation is concerned. For those of you that ask me about what is the limitation about Alipay balance, okay? But before we get to the practical started, guys, if you are very new to this channel, remember to subscribe. And also, if you would like to join my premium class where I coach you step by step on how you too can import without using any agent, feel free to reach me via the phone number on the screen of this video if you have interest to be your own personal procurement and shipping agent. And lastly but not the least, if you would like me to procure your link from 1688 Tahoba Alipay, 1688 Tahoba and Pindodo, you can feel free to reach me via the phone number on the screen. I can procure your link and pay your Chinese supplier as well. So let's get to the practical started. So for you to know the limitation on your Alipay balance, you need to log in into your Alipay. So you can see from the screen here, you need to log in into your Alipay. So when you get to your Alipay, you need to click on Toll Pass. Now when you get to your Toll Pass, you need to scroll down and click on Customer Center. So when you get to Customer Center, there are a lot of information. But the next thing you need to do is to click on Customer Service. Here, click on Customer Service. Now, at this point here, this is where you need to know what is your Alipay balance yearly limitation. So the next thing you have to do is to click on payment. So when you click on payment, you need to look for payment limit. So you can see now the first instruction here states that limit for payments with balance. Then the second option here says that limit for payment with balance as well, but states it in a categorical way. Now, for you as a level 1 RMB Alipay balance, you are going to have a 1000 RMB lifetime transaction. For a level 2 RMB seller user, you are going to have an access of 100,000 RMB per year. Excuse me. So for level 3 Alipay user, here you are going to have an opportunity to spend 200,000 RMB per year. So what this simply means is that if you are a level 1 seller and you have spent 1,000 RMB in a lifetime, you will not be able to spend anything beyond this 1,000 RMB until following year. The same thing goes this way. So if you are a level 2 Alipay user, you cannot spend beyond 100,000 RMB in a year. If you spend beyond that, the transaction will stop. Same goes to level 3 level 3 Alipay user. So this is how you understand how the Alipay balance limitation per year works. So I hope you guys find this useful, and if you enjoyed this video, click on the like And lastly but not the least, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, remember to subscribe. And also, if you have any further question for me as far as the tutorial is concerned, kindly put your question in the comment section down below. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.